Data visualization and analytics at Cadeon that's your single pane of glass. That's the pane of truth that basically shows the value that your information is providing to you as an organization. So it's moving away from Excel spreadsheets, basically, that if I click on a column or a row within a spreadsheet, all I'm going to get is a number. The value of data analytics is it makes that information actionable, meaning that if I click on whether it's a pie chart, a bar graph, or an entry, in a data visualization tool, I'm going to be able to see how that was calculated and also know that it's come from a source system and it's just not a value that somebody entered. As the recent downturn in commodity prices has taught us, we live in a world where we have to make decisions based on information. The way to being able to get the best value out of that information is to make it visual. They say a picture's worth 1,000 words. Data visualization is a way of providing people to personalize and interact with the information in the way that makes the most sense with them. So it's our core information capability as part of our framework, Synapses for Digital Transformation, because you need that single pane of glass, that single pane of the truth. So the trends that we're seeing in data visualization and analytics is it's almost like telecommunications, where it's the battle for the bottom. We've got a lot of the players in the data visualization space that are adding more capability every year, and that capability of visualization is actually getting cheaper. So there's back and forth on many different technologies and large vendors that are in this space. But the trend that we're seeing is pick a tool that's actually going to, you're going to make an investment, but it's actually going to be there for not only the expert users in the company, but also the intermediates and the beginners. And there's a lot of tools that do things easily, but when it comes to complexity, it gets complex fast. So the best advice I can give on the trends that we're seeing is find the tool that's actually going to fit the most use cases that you can think of in your organization. Yeah, I think the benefits of using data visualization and analytics, it boils down to, again, being able to visually see that information and being able to represent it in a way that makes sense to you. A lot of the visualization tools that we see allow you to personalize the information. And the other thing is sharing information with your colleagues. If you create a really good visualization, say around production accounting, and if that's of high value to somebody else, you just publish that visualization out. So you get the economies of scale of being able to share information quickly and easily with your colleagues. A case study on data visualization and analytics. So we had a customer who basically bought about $1 billion worth of assets from another company. And the challenge that they had was that information lived in a cloud. Their information lived in 2 clouds, and they needed a way of getting that single pane of glass to be able to say, we just spent $1 billion on an asset. How do I know that that was the right decision? How do I know that we're profitable when we go live as soon as we integrate? So data visualization is a technique that allowed us to connect to these multiple data sources across different platforms, but inherently tell that story about 2 different companies as they're coming together, and it provided tremendous value to this customer. Cadeon's been in this space for 9 years, so we're experts. We've used many tools. We've been on the journey since reporting, even before data analytics. So we spend a lot of time training our people. We've worked with UX, UI designers, basically visualization people, what's the best way to craft it. And we've used multiple people's technologies, and we're always looking for new ways and new visuals to help our customers tell a better story with their data.